Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia and today I just received in the mail my pink massage table that I've been using for lash extensions at my house, and I received my pink lash tray cart. And you know, I was like, why don't I just build it on camera for you guys? Here's my cats. But yeah, so my lash bed massage table is in this, and then my pink lash tray that I'm building is right here. So I decided, I was like, you know what, let me make some content out of this. And yeah, so I literally just got out of school and I was like, I'm too excited. Ooh, you're crooked, sorry. I was like, I am too excited to wait, so I will build it now. So I'm not even gonna change anything, I'm just going to build it with you guys. But yeah, first things first, I'm gonna make me some coffee. First thing I'm going to do is make me a double shot of espresso. I am multitasking pretty hard right now. I am trying to cook food, make coffee, and build this. So yes, I'm super tired. I just got out of school and it is 7:01 p.m. in the afternoon. I can show you guys that. Oh, nope, she doesn't like you guys. Okay, my bad. I had to get up at 6 a.m. today, and it's now 7 p.m. and I had to work last night a closing shift, so I didn't get off till 10 p.m. at night last night. Didn't go to bed till 12 a.m. Had to get up at 6 today, and it's now 7. So I'm beat. So I'm gonna make me some coffee at my little coffee bar with my Nespresso machine, and look at my cute coffee mug. I got it from one of my friends at work. It is Nightmare Before Christmas themed. Super cute. My favorite double shot of espresso is this one. Don't know if you guys can see it or not. Yeah, she's a double shot. But yeah, so today we did some demos on brow laminating. So I got my brows laminated today, and yeah, I like them a lot. So yummy. Yeah, only con to this extremely expensive espresso machine is she's super loud. Anyways, I'm using peppermint stick. I love me some peppermint. So I have literally peppermint creamer, peppermint syrup, peppermint whipped cream, everything, not everything, but most of mine is 0 calories, 0 sugar for the most part. But yeah, seems like a lot of peppermint, but it really isn't really that sweet. So coffee is done. My food is finishing up. While my food is finishing, I'm gonna start building. Yes, oh my gosh, look at my cutie. She does not want me to build this lash tray. I'm gonna roll you. Roll. 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 Thank you, Miss Girl. She's pink. You don't learn, do you, Miss Girl? Okay, my lash cart, she is built. and she's so cute. Made some noodles with sriracha, and you can't really see it right now, but there's 2 hard-boiled eggs in there too. Chef's kiss. This helps me get my gallon of water for the day. My lash tray all built. Now time to build the lash bed. Oh my god, she's so pretty. Oh my gosh. This bed was $94 and then like $20–30 shipping. So not bad at all. I don't think I have to build anything on this. Okay, so this is the front of it. I don't know if you can see, this is where the head goes, and this is a built-in carrying case like the ones at my school, which is kind of why I bought it. Here's the little things to carry it with, and then the clips. Open it up, and then this is what it looks like. Ooh, I'm gonna assume this is a carrying case for all of its gadgets. So I got a thing that actually connects right here to extend out more. So yeah, I'm gonna try to put this up and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is the lash bed. Pink, super cute. A close-up of the top, so their head can go here. This comes out, and they can put their head down in here for like a massage, or they can put their head here and they have armrests. Yeah, that was unboxing my lash tray and lash bed. You guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys for watching.